under this hot sun, I decide to send this message, and I hope this message go reach Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And I hope this message go reach the Oduduwas, the people who really want freedom. People who want to detach themselves from the zoo called Nigeria. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, with due respect, I respect you. I respect you, I respect you. I never see anybody will be like you. I never see a man like you. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, respect. But there are certain words where you go hear from me, where it sound like I did disrespect you. I beg, Mazi, no vex. Abu Mwafu Igbo. Masu Igbo. But I won't speak the general language when Nigeria here. Mazi, people they die for Nigeria every day. Make I forget Nigeria now. I talk about my land. Mazi, them mad in Wangu, na Biafra land. Mazi, people they die every day. Every day, people they die for Biafra land. Every day. Nigeria army go bust enter, burn people house for no reason. Nigerian forces go bust enter, burn people house, and nothing go happen. Nothing go happen. The reason why I go send this message as audio, we say me I don't tire today. They look people face, they come out on social media. Some go wear uniform, some go wear beret, some go carry gun. Others want a noise. Mazi, with all due respect, Mazi, now when boys go come outside, bust this country. Mazi, people they die every day. How many people don't die? How many must die before Biafra go come? Mazi, how many people don't die? How many people must die before Biafra go, before you go declare Biafra? Mazi, now boys blood they boil. Mazi, youths blood they boil, Mazi. The boys are not taking it anymore. Mazi, I they beg you. Boys, the facts, Mazi. Every day they hear this revolution. When this revolution will start? If the revolution no even will start, Mazi, now where you want to declare Biafra? Makante Madina Wangu, Woke Wani. Boys and girls they die. People they die like chicken. With due respect to Fada Mbaka, respect for Mbaka, but ordinary Fada Mbaka when they kidnap Fada Mbaka. See how men come out. They para. And they watch some for Facebook, some they talk say anything will happen to Fada Mbaka. What do you go do? Can you get me? No, they sit down for just they make noise. Anything will happen for Fada Mbaka. Fada Mbaka life better pass everybody. How many people don't die? Only they make noise for Mbaka. Only Fada Mbaka life no better pass people don't die. All of them run back on themselves, full outside for road, they say, Fada Mbaka. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they talk, he say, we need to come outside for revolution. None of them won't come out for revolution. Now, ordinary Fada Mbaka. Respect to Fada Mbaka, but Fada Mbaka, when they go kidnap Fada Mbaka, all of them they shout, anytime with Fada Mbaka, Nigeria go burn, Nigeria go do this. You know how many people who don't die when nothing don't happen? Respect to Commander Ikonso. Commander Ikonso, respect to you. They killed this guy, brought the light. And when I mean brought the light for everybody eye. Even though Nigerian army and this useless Nigerian newspaper or whatever they call them, when we get to them, they talk rubbish. The light said, nah, Ikonso died for battle. Where? They killed Ikonso. They still go in house, burn Ikonso house. But we never forget, say, barrister. If I need your for, we be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu lawyer. They still burning house. Burning for the house. We give a mere. Nothing happen. Nothing happen. Mazi Nnamdi Bukasite mother when you share bro. These people when they kill people anyhow. When they enter Biafra land, they kill people, they kidnap people. They get to head. Now when you share bro. People there they shout, we don't want war, we don't want war. They don't carry war, come now. The war is in Biafra land. And you motherfuckers are talking about, you motherfuckers don't want no war. The war is in Biafra land now. They're fucking everybody up. They're shooting everybody down. They're killing everybody. And you folks are there shouting, we don't want no war. We don't want to die. We don't want this, we don't want that. But the war is in Biafra land. And people are dying every day, day in and day night. And the Fulanis are coming in every day and killing people. Murdering people and fucking people up. When are we going to take this war to them? When are we going to take this war to them? When are we taking it to them? They are coming to us. Look at the civil war. Because in the madu, in the American and want it today, and I know one Nigeria. Then they shout one Nigeria, and people they die every day. No job, nothing they happen for Nigeria. Waiting for them no good road. In the madu na muka shebiri ne. Smarting they carry army better, smarting they carry police gun. Spotted DSS! What did they happen? Where the youth them day? Where the boys them day? Nobody they talk. Only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they talk. Only Nnamdi Kanu they talk. Nobody they talk. When Nnamdi talk, they go say the craze. When Nnamdi Kanu talk, they go the parasite and noisemaker. They go say come Nigeria. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu de Nigeria when this thing happen. Kanu de Nigeria when they come bulldozer in house. Same battalions of soldiers won't kill this guy. He there abroad they doing job. They protest for you, your freedom. On a monkey baboons, animals. They don't dash you 10,000 naira and I go to they talk rubbish about Nnamdi Kanu. When they worry about unknown gunmen, when I go see the one who pass unknown gunmen. When I go see the one way pass on the government very soon. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I not be the kind of person where they talk too much. I speak my mind. This is my mind, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. When are you declaring Biafra? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, when are you declaring Biafra? We need to take over our land now. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, there is no time to wait. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, there is no more time. We need to take over Biafra now. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we need to take over Biafra now. All of them they follow Wazirike. All of them they follow that Tombolo, that Big Pele, Asari Dokubo. I mean Asari Dokubo. We're gonna slow down. We're gonna slow down. We're gonna slow down. All of them they talk about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we're gonna slow down. When I don't be freedom fighter. I don't know what it takes to be a freedom fighter. You motherfuckers don't know what it takes to be a freedom fighter. You motherfuckers sit down in your fucking goddamn house and talk shit about it, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You motherfuckers don't know what it takes to be a freedom fighter. You see your fellow brothers dying every day by the Nigerian army, and you motherfuckers don't even say shit. Y'all motherfuckers sit in your fucking house, eat junk and talk shit. Y'all don't know shit about how to be a freedom fighter. And people that die every day. It's a shame, say people still there. Some people there up to this current generation, this current present situation for Nigeria. They say they talk about one Nigeria. For this current situation, when the mother and people they die. They watch this video every day and they para. My blood they hot. Like every day I watch this video, I they vex. I just the wait when Kanu go say it is time to take over Biafra land. People that die every day. How many of you knows what it takes to lose someone you love? How many of you knows what it takes to lose a father, to lose a mother, to lose a family by terrorist Fulani? The same useless Nigerian government say banditry, kidnapping is not a federal offense. It's not a federal offense. But when IPOB raise flag, say they want Biafra, you go send battalions of Nigerian army. You go send fire jets, firefighting jets, come to throw bomb for land. No, but that even undo. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you too soft. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you too soft. Mazi, you too soft. Mazi, you too soft. Respect, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, respect. But I know you have a plan, man. I know you have a plan. And I know you hear from God. But when the fuck are we going in, man? When the fuck are we going in to show these motherfuckers that we ain't what they think we are? When are we going to show these motherfuckers that we ain't what they think we are? Because people are dying every day. People are dying every day. People are dying every day, day by day. Recently, Hope Uzodinma just recently established another form of security. Bought a lot of vehicles. Mazi, we never need to buy vehicles again. Mazi, we never need to buy guns. Mazi, never could enter road. Mazi, never could enter road. All these vehicles, all they see our own. Use the same gun that they kill us, they kill them back. Unknown gunmen, God send them to defend the people, defend the land. But don't forget when Nigerian army go come with crocodile smile. With crocodile smile. They go come with Operation Python dance. I dare Yankee the thing, they bite me. When I leave base one day like that, I leave base and show my fellow soldiers. I say, guys, man, look at what's going on in my land, man. The Nigerian army are fucking my people up. I really want to go down there and do something, but I can't do nothing, man. I can't do shit. I can't do shit because I'm in a job, man. I'm in a job. When are we going to rise and defend our land? When are we going to defend our land? When are we going to defend our land? When are we going to defend our land? For those of you still believing in one Nigeria, those of you still looking up to one Nigeria get boogie. One Nigeria got baggy, Ogatakata get tagi, boogie, Burugi gal, Ebage ligi, boogie, Oge Soginike, Chineke got bunaku. All of you calling one Nigeria, don't that will never forget your name. Ogabunaku. I watched my brother, Simon Ikpa. Mr. Simon Ikpa. Respect, man, respect. But man, you folks need to do something, man. It's time we need to rise up. I can't get hold of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I can't get hold of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The last broadcast he made, I tried to call him. I tried to talk to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I called his phones. I called him on WhatsApp. I called him many times. He never responded. I know it was a lot of calls, but man, we need to do something. Ndibos, this is time for us to rise. You people are afraid of war. The war has come. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has been talking about this war for the longest. The war has come. You guys that are afraid of war, the war has come. They brought the war to your land to kill you, even burn your houses. When are we going to rise up on Webucha Indine? The youth blood is very hot now. The youth they para. And I'm Akwado Ibia Nigeria. And I'm Akwado coming. I'm coming to Nigeria. I got my Ibia Nigeria. Oh no gunman, Unu Jisike. Unu Gafuke carry on no gunman. Nka carry on no gunman Nabia. Nkeke buka shite madu Nabia. Oh no gunman Unu Jisike. God will bless you guys. Kenge Pepe got carried on no gunmen. Oh, got carried on no gunmen. I got your government Ganuloha. I got your DK Ganuloha. I got your Dami Ganuloha. I am tired of all this social media complaint, all this social media grumbling, whining, threatening. No! This is time for action, Mazi. This is time for action. It is time for action. It is time to rise and stand for the nation Biafra. If you're living abroad like where I am, it is time to rise for Biafra. It is time to defend Biafra. I was crying yesterday. I cried this morning when I saw Father Mbaka was kidnapped. And I asked myself, why is it all over? Father Mbaka, Father Mbaka. Father Mbaka is a very important man, I understand. But Father Mbaka's life is just only one man. How many lives have we lost? The same energy, the same strength we used to go out against those that have kidnapped Father Mbaka. Why don't we use the same energy to take over our nation? Why don't we use that same strength to bring down this whole problem going on in Nigeria? If you don't rise to defend your nation, okay, Boogie, I am not telling you as a prophet, and I'm Agwagi as a prophet. If you don't raise up, if you do not rise right now to defend your nation, Biafra, they will kill you. Okay, Boogie Nulagi. They will come rape your wife, rape your daughter, put out their legs, kill them and take their life away. This is not time for complaint. This is not time for threats. This is time to rise. This is not the time we need to stand up. Or do the world don't stand up. We need to stand up fully. I want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to know that I really want to speak to him. Because Muana Wem Anamabia. Anamabia. Kekari onon gunmen Nabia. Ketaracha Konde Kwensuanya. Nigeria Army. Now only civilians now on a power day. Only civilians don't as I do gra. I go see. When I go see fire, I never see anything. Only on no government they shake on now. Now they beg US Abi. When US come fight for now. I don't forget say the same US one they beg. They can't defend on now. Then they get sense. I don't forget say our own brother student dead for inside US Army. I don't forget say we gone with the para. We see everything what happen. We see everything. After they kill our people, they see them. When I never jam, when I go see, when I go see fire, when I don't get anything. Dara, mad people everywhere. Mazi, with due respect, we get boys, we get men. We don't serve Nigeria Army. Leave the job, come up for Nigeria, go abroad. Mazi, men, they US Army now. Men, they on the ground. Men, they when they watch this video, where they para Mazi. Men, we don't see what they have on Nigeria, they vex. All the skills when Nigeria Army get, we get them. We don't train with them, we sabi all their moves, Mazi. All this nonsense what they happen for Nigeria, what they happen for Biafra land in particular, Mazi, in your hand again, Mazi. When you want to declare Biafra, Mazi, men won't know before we land. Men won't know before we land, Mazi. Men won't know. Men won't know. And the reason why would they ask, Mazi, when they come? ESN, respect. Respect ESN. Unatolojo, unujisike. ESN, unatolojo. Unuwere, a good leader. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, a good leader. Unatolojo ESN, unujisike. Aina bia ikunu nazu. We are coming to give you full support. ESN, aina bia. I can send this zoo. I ain't that booking down me at that time. This time I got go handy. I were in the monkey, I were in the mud. Mazi, Biko, when are you declaring Biafra? Can we get Nani Biafra? Let's take over our land now. Because in there take over our land already. Ndina tuja war. Hapu handa kana tuja war. Nde marina ngura already. People are dying already, Mazi. People they die already. People they die every day. Which kind of war would they fear again now? The war is already here. They march RPG everywhere for Nigeria. March APC everywhere for Nigeria. Especially for Biafra land. Mazi, make will give them what they want. What could give them what they want, Mazi? Because why you see the man Biafra declare? Can you now put up? He was a man, he wouldn't work it. You don't only have ESN, you have men with experience, Mazi. Men of experience. I ain't Nabia. Biko, let us know how we can reach you, Mazi. Can you see where you check it? When you want to declare Biafra. When you want to declare Biafra, Mazi. Men won't know before we land. Men won't know before we land, Mazi. Men won't know. Men won't know.